For me, it might be easier to do XYZ. For you, it might be easier to do ABC. That's why when you see someone, don't judge a book by its cover. Why? You see them, you don't know their struggles. You don't know. Put yourself in their shoes and walk a mile before you talk. Because they could have managed to come so close to Allah, and one of your words can crush them just because you felt holier than thou. That's what it was. But you don't know how much effort they've made and how they've come and how far they've come, how much they've achieved. So go easy on people. Rather encourage them. MashaAllah, my brother, we need to do this. Not you do this, we need to do this. Put yourself in the picture. You're a human as well. Sister, we need to do this. Come, let's go together. Let's do this. Let's achieve this. Oh, let's go for whatever it might be. Something good. And we will do it together by the will of Allah. That's how you empower people. That's how you show care for people. You don't just point and you don't just yell at someone and you don't just belittle them because you don't know the struggles. If you sat with them for 10 minutes and if they allowed themselves to let you know what they've been through, you would be ashamed of the way you treated them. So when you see someone, whoever it may be, go easy on them. You don't know how far they have come, how much effort they have made in their lives.